Hello everybody, and today we're going to be doing some nature walking. We're going to do 2 nature walks, one of a path for all the way up there, up the road. It's right off the side. But for now we're just going to be doing some exploring of my backyard. So yeah! Yep, I just jumped off of my porch.
Hey Bella, come.
So it might be a little hard to see. I'm trying not to talk too much, but this is my backyard. As you can see, we've got the gully. We've got this swing right here, so I can get on it. I'm gonna have to be really careful while holding my phone over this cliff, but I can just swing over the gully. This is fun. If you can, I suggest adding a swing to your backyard. It's a really great way to pass the time. Now let's move on. Oh, there's an old. I'm gonna leave this here for now. That's a Mountain Dew can, and I'm gonna pick it up on my way back. So if we head down here, we have Mudlandia. Starting as a creek, it turns into a river, then slowly, then it goes into a pond, more of a river, then big lake. That's the old garden. And this is one of my favorite things about our yard. We'll get to the tire swing after I show you the fire pit. This is my fire pit. Yeah, we burned some mattresses here a couple days ago. It was fun. We've got a big bit of forest right there. That's some chicken wire. As well as some forest over there. But now I gotta show you guys. Oh, there's a lot of dandruff on my phone. Oh, whoops. Gotta show you guys the tire swing. There's the tire swing. I think my brother's calling my name, but that can wait. That can wait for a little bit, can't it? So I'm just gonna lay down like this, and I'm gonna start. I'll show you my face for this.
It's quite chilly.
Not too chilly. Oh, and my brother is up on the swing over there. So back to my face. Because I don't want to just make you guys dizzy. You also get to watch me dizzy. Okay. Oh, I just heard a bee. I don't like bees. Oh my god. It's pretty slow, but it's still very fun. It's a great place to stop and relax. I'm about to go flying. Oh, okay. Dizzy filming time. I need to wipe my phone off. Which is what I will do. Oh no, I just need to get closer. My face needs to get closer to the screen. Okay, now I know where I'm going. I've been here for 3 minutes. Actually, I'm going to run over here. Don't step on the chicken wire again, Aiden. That's dumb. Favorite rock. Then we go up here. There's some, I don't know if you can see it, but there's some wire out that way. That prevents me from going too far. But, so this is a huge forest here. I have a stick collection over there, which is made up of huge logs I carried. So if I quickly head down here, you guys should be able to see that big collection of logs over there. That is my stick collection. Cool, Gavin. And then I can climb over here. Why did I say climb? Because I'm about to climb a tree for you guys. So yeah, I'm climbing a tree, as you can tell. It's not that hard with all the big branches. I gotta go up too high. Gavin, look at me! I'm holding my phone. I was on a tree, Gavin. Then basically, all that's over there is just some more forest. Yeah. All over there is just some more forest. We can go take a look at it. So yeah, we've got a bit more forest before we go into my front yard. Sorry, there's going to be quite a bit of talking. I'm just showing you around my backyard, and it's a nice walk through nature. Yes. Ow! Hey, Gavin, can you take the camera for a second? Okay, when you're done there, can you? Ooh, ouch, that's gotta hurt. Can you please film this real quick?
Okay, when I'm done.
Okay.
I'm kind of scared climbing. You wanna know why?
Why?
Last time I climbed a tree, I had to take a shower for hours because there was sap in my hair.
I only went up a little bit, but as you can see here, my brother is climbing up that tree. I've almost been out here for 10 minutes. Whoa! As you can see here, I need to zoom out actually. That's the top of the tree. That's my brother, right up there.
Hey,
So,
did you notify Mom?
I'd rather not. We can just tell Mom. But whoa! How are you gonna get down?
Climbing down.
Oh! I'm filming this. I'm literally filming you for YouTube.
Dude, what if I just knock the whole tree down?
Just jump.
No!
Go down one more level and jump.
No. I'm not jumping.
Well, don't climb back up. Gavin, you're going to knock the tree down.
Oh God, literally?
Maybe if you get too high, it might bend, break. You would fall.
And then die.
Maybe. Oh, we've been out here for 8 minutes.
I'm wagging my tail at you.
Oh my God.
I'm wagging my tail at you.
Okay, so can you please come down and film this
No.
for me?
No.
Gavin, it's just this one little bit.
No.
I don't want to drop my phone and break it doing it.
Wait. Okay. I just want to get a little.
Okay, well, he's taking up quite a bit of my time, so let's just climb on the stump for a little.
I'm coming down.
Oh, okay. So there's this stick right here. I just noticed that. Sorry for all the time you spent waiting, looking at my brother climb a tree, but hey, you got to watch him climb a tree.
I think I can actually jump now.
Jump, 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 jump.
I want to. I said I can, but I don't want to.
Oh, jump for the views, Gavin.
Okay. I'm scared.
All of my 7 subscribers are watching you. Well, I haven't checked in a while, so there might be more, but all of my subscribers are watching you.
Satan, they could have unsubscribed.
Aw. Jump.
Scared.
Jump for the views,
I
Gavin.
hurt myself.
No, you're not. Not too high up. Jump, 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 jump.
Okay, just let me.
We're about to hit that 10-minute mark.
But Aiden, the stick's in the way. The sticks. Please, can you move those sticks?
What sticks?
Those sticks.
Gavin, you're fine.
I'm scared. I don't want to jump in.
Then just climb down, please.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
But can you back off?
Yes,
I don't want to hit you. Three,
but I'm going to zoom in.
2. Oh, that's a big stick, but it doesn't matter.
Do it. Okay, now can you film this for me? Okay, so I want you to tag. Can you film this for me now?
Oh, God.
Okay, grab it.
You know my hands are very, very dirty.
I don't really care. Just don't touch my screen. Gavin, stop. Okay, Phil, come with me.
Hey, we've been recording for 10 minutes. Hey, that's easy.
Nice to watch. Yeah, but I didn't want to break my phone.
I know, but I'm just saying that's easy.
Gonna go up a little bit. This is scary.
I don't think I got it, too much of it. Okay, here's your pound that.
I need to get up. Oh.
Hey, knock it out.
Okay.
I'm
I've taken my
I'm
phone.
swinging.
Let me up. And then we're gonna transition to the other part of my yard. Okay, we're gonna watch Gav.
Sap on my finger. Sap,
Oh.
my worst enemy. I didn't mean to do that.
I got that on camera. Okay, I'm gonna go show you guys another part of our yard now.
Well,
So Gavin, you want to do speed run montage? Oh wait, one more time. One more time. Huh?
Speed run?
Yeah, that's where I go and run around the forest for a little bit.
No.
Okay. I'm gonna walk actually. So this will be like the scenic part. Ooh, there's a car. But I'm trying not to step in poo. What? I'm doing a scenic walk. Yeah. Wait, yeah, here's another part of our yard. I'm gonna go out to a clearing, but you guys get to watch all the travel footage in like a normal motion. So, ooh, we got some nice sticks. I could use these in my stick collection that you guys saw earlier. Oh my god, stump! Oh, I'm so happy. Hey Gavin, you want to come film another bit for me? Or no? Okay, then I'll just do this. Whatever the means. Okay, I'm gonna try and jump off of this stump over to that branch. Touch it! That sounded. Whoa! I don't know if everybody can see that, but that's a huge hill of freaking ants. All that black stuff is ants. Oh my god! What is that? I just said it was ants, but yeah, those are ants. Hello, colony of ants. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna walk around you. To our clear spot! This is like the one clear spot on our property. This is the clear spot, gotta remember. So yeah, I don't think I can pass that tree there, but yeah, this is our clear spot. That over there's the driveway to our neighbors. There's one last thing I want to show you on our nice scenic walk. You got to see, so you guys get to see my backyard. Then we're going to show you a nice trail up that way, all the way up that way. But this is the hangout tree where we used to tell spooky stories. Well, that's all for now. So, bye guys. Tree!